criminals, they live amongst us. You'll have this youngster from this house who drives expensive cars, he wears expensive clothes, but is unemployed. So the word is going to go around that, no, this one is getting his money from criminal activities and the like. So a police station commander must know about that person. So once you know about that person, then we employ what we call man marking. So we start following that individual, just to be interested to know, how does he make the living? So it is that leads us in arresting those criminals. It leads us into confrontation with them most of the time, because we make it our business to get to know who's a troublemaker. So that's by so doing we prevent. Obviously, when we get to know that these are the people, we go into a mode of getting them arrested so that we can remove them from society. But in the process of us trying to arrest them, as you asked earlier, they start fighting, and it's the fight that we end up.
Ike nginibingelele ngani zakwethu, ngiyethemba nizwele nibonele inkulumo kababa uMkhwanazi ophethe lapha eThekwini uma esinye seyikhulu zakwemaphoyiseni. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ushare, usubscribe kuyo le channel, usilandele nakwezinye inkundla zokuxhumana, uTikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, siyatholakala. Sizwe uvo lwakho ukuthi ukhona yini okufundile kule nkulumo. Siyabonga.